Good morning, everybody. Say good morning. Good morning. So I'm cooking breakfast. We're gonna have some eggs, hash browns, and some bananas. Just a couple of things I want to mention. Scarlett got a tooth in. Well, it's not in. It broke the skin. Not yesterday, but the day before. Yesterday it was super hard to see. You couldn't even see it anymore. But I haven't looked at it today. So, but she was a crab that last night again. So, hopefully that tooth comes through. And secondly, we picked a wedding date, and kind of finally got me a ring. We've been trying to plan our wedding for so long, and we finally picked a date. And yeah, we're gonna have it. That's so exciting. How's breakfast, baby? You were starting to get kind of cranky. You're having bananas, eggs, and hash browns. And Mommy's having the same. Is it good? I can't believe you just ate all of that breakfast. There was a lot there. And you ate it all. You ready to get out? Get dressed? Get a diaper change? Take that as a yes. It's hard life for a baby, isn't it? Drinking your baba and it's about nap time. Scarlett's still a little cranky today. But her tooth is right there. And it's all there. Well, come here, baby. Your tooth hurt. It's got a thunderstorm. Thundering outside. Is it storming now? You like the rain? Huh? See, it smells good, doesn't it? It smells like rain. Can you hear it? Delicious lunch. We've got green beans and grilled cheese. What do you think about that? Is it yummy? Oliver. Oliver. Hi.
Hi.
This has been kind of a lame day. Yep, this is a day. Sitting on the couch, playing some weed, being lazy. It's cold outside.
Except that it moves around a lot and sometimes gets the steel code. I'll just ignore the story, Yahtzee. Should I? Because this game is already pretty well nourished for full price.
She loves kisses.
Hack off a nibble too. So I'm sure even with context, it's still as generic as one of the two. Billy.